Hi, hello everyone. Today we speak about healing shamanic imbalances, which are the so-called illnesses. We call them imbalances because in shamanism, first of all, we think that everything in the universe is connected, and it's connected through energy because it's an element that belongs to every sort of beings and also every element in nature, in rocks, mountains, trees, plants, everything is connected and everything contains energy in a variety of forms. So from a shamanic point of view, when we speak about illnesses, there are a variety of causes for which we can have an energetic imbalance. That can be from a physical point of view, from an emotional point of view, or from a spiritual point of view. There can be the case when we feel that there is a power loss. When we speak about power, we mean the energy as well, so the chi, the vitality, the force, the life force that is connected with us. And when we lose our power, the symptoms can be that we don't feel involved in life anymore, we can feel depressed, or maybe someone else has gone over our boundaries. We lose self-confidence, we don't feel engaged anymore, we don't feel that we want to go out from home or meet other people or start any new activity, we don't feel any purpose. That is because our life purpose, our life energy has been either taken away by something, by someone, or has been lost for a variety of reasons. And this is very much connected also to the soul loss. So soul is as well defined as pure essence, and we can lose a part of our soul, and this is exactly nothing to be scared of. It's a defense mechanism. So a part of our soul goes away or has been taken away, that depends from the point of view, there are a variety of cases, as a defense mechanism to protect ourselves. The problem is when this part of our soul is not coming back anymore. That's exactly when we would need healing. The soul loss is connected with a traumatic experience, so something that we can be aware of can be a divorce, miscarriage, redundancy, the break of a relationship, we are left by a friend, or it can be something that we are not even aware of. So we just go out and we walk on the high street and someone is just saying something bad towards us when we are passing. We are not even aware of that, and we receive a trauma in our soul. So that remains stored in our cells, in the part of our souls. And so our soul, of course, feels that needs to leave, instead of being there and becomes a victim and suffer and take inside itself, inside a part of the soul, all this process of grief, all this process of suffering. So this part of the soul decides to leave. And that is exactly where we would have then during the healing the shamanic practitioner, the shaman, going on a journey and searching for this part of the soul and retrieving this part of the soul in the form of pure energy. And we can normally retrieve normally 2 or 3 parts of the soul during a healing. And then another cause of illness can be something together that we could call like entanglement. So we could have either an intrusion, so something that has entered our field of energy, that can be the external one, which is the aura, or then of course a deeper one, because there are different levels of energetic bodies. Or as well as an entanglement, there are those episodes like when we feel attachment, when we feel that we have energetic cords with someone else in a relationship. That can be working relationship, friends relationship, love relationship. So we have an attachment to this person. And when we speak about specific intrusions, the intrusions are not entities that are entering into us, but are those energetic elements that enter in our level of energy, and normally they are seen as errors, so something negative that is entering in our level of energy and is affecting us, is creating us. There can be a gap in our aura, that can be a gap in our energetic part as well. Or another cause of illness can be something related to our lineage, so something related to karmic reasons, can be something related to the elements that are in our ancestors. So this is of course another element. Or we can have a cause of illness because we are totally disconnected from nature. So as we are part of the whole, we feel that we are separated from the universe, from the element of nature as well. And so then when shamans would perform a healing that originally and still nowadays are realized in communities, because originally the shamanic healing was born within the community, so the community would heal the magic child in between the circle, the person with the imbalance, the person with the illness. And so the shamans around him, nowadays it happens more often in a one-to-one session, the shamans around him have a variety of ways for, according to the traditions, according to the situations, to heal the imbalances and the illnesses of the person. That can happen through chanting, that can happen through ceremonies, through rituals, it can happen through dancing, to drumming, to rattling. It can be using herbs, using plants, and then also specifically doing extractions and doing soul retrievals. So that of course the way of doing that for a shaman have to be going on a journey. So going on a shamanic journey where the shaman would be in touch with the spirit and make these changes in the invisible realms to then go back and practice something in this reality where we are, so that the imbalance of the person can be healed. And going on a shamanic journey means entering a state of trance, so it means reaching ecstasy.